you how to create a taxi booking website in Wix. So first, what you're going to do is you have to go to Wix or Wix sign up and create a Wix account. So you can tap on the first one right here, signing up for a free Wix account. All you have to do is tap on create your website right here or Wix.com sign up. But since I have my site already, then all I have to do here is to edit site. Or since our tutorial is how to create a taxi booking website, then what I'm going to show you right now, once you have your account here, once you have created an account here in Wix, then in order for you to create a site, then you have to tap on this create new site right here. And then it will take you directly to this create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. So you can tap on try Wix Studio, but this studio or editor right here has advanced features. So if you are a beginner or you're just new to Wix, I strongly recommend to try create on Wix editor because I think this one is easier for you as a beginner. But if you want to try this Wix Studio also with advanced features, then yes, you can. So tap on the second one here, create on Wix editor. Now you should see this bring your ideas to life with AI. You can start chat with AI and tell AI your ideas about your template, about your site. But as a beginner again, then you can tap on the second one right here. So you can just proceed directly and smoothly. So set up without chat, tap this one. Now, what type of website do you want to create? So you can search here as our tutorial is a taxi website or taxi booking website. So we have to type taxi here. So as you can see, I cannot find any taxi booking template right here that I can edit. So basically, we'll just stick with taxi service. Okay, so tap on the first one here. And then you will see this continue button. What you're going to do is tap on continue button here. It's now preparing your dashboard. Okay, so tell us a bit about your business. So the name of my business, it's about taxi booking services. So I can name it as Urban Move Taxi by AD. Okay. And then after that, what's your business address? So you can add here the business address. So once you've added your business name and then your address, you can tap on continue. And then set your default working hours. So for example, you are open every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then, for example, from let's just say 8 a.m. to basically 7 p.m. Okay, and then the time zone, everything is up to you. You can look for the time zone right here and then tap on continue. Now we can start adding, or you can start adding services here for your taxi booking services. So, for example, if your taxi services or taxi booking website offer private car pickup, you can tap this one right here. Paid session, client place, you can edit this. For example, this one is like a class, let's just say, payment type, let's just say free session. Okay, business address, you can say online and then tap on save. You also offer airport transportation. Okay, tap OK. And if you don't offer this one, you can deselect this taxi service. Okay, daily rate, one-way ride. Okay, round trip service, city tour. Okay, everything is up to you. You can edit and you can also create new service right here. For example, let's just say you offer hourly rentals, appointment, paid session, business address. Let's just say client place. Tap on save and create again new one. And if you want to add more information about this one, and then you can just basically edit this, create your service again if you want, and then once you're done, all you have to do is tap on continue. Now it's about time to add your staff, so you can add your staff name here and then the email, but this one is optional, so you will be adding staff name, for example. So I have added the name of my staff right here and then the email address. Then what I'm going to do next after I have added my staff is tap on continue. Okay, so if you want to add manage your services and bookings on the go, you can tap this one and then tap on continue. So you're all set. Head over to the dashboard to finish setting up your site. Tap on Continue to Dashboard. And let me tell you that in your dashboard here, this is served as independent dashboard. So whatever you add or change here, it will not affect other sites or templates that you have created. So basically, if you want to set up payment method right here, booking calendar and so on for your site or services, then it will not affect other templates and sites right here. Okay, so we will just go on to this later, but before anything else, let's just design our site first before adding everything here like calendar, booking list, work schedule, so on. Let's tap design site. Okay, so how would you like to design your website? So basically, you can choose customize a template, pick a template, or generate design with AI, get a personalized sign design in seconds. So if you want to use this one, yes, you can. But for me, as a beginner again, I prefer or I suggest to pick a template from Ubix. So tap on this, or you can continue with setup for now. So basically, for beginners, you can tap this one, pick a template, and then you will see this page where you can see tons of templates that you can use. So you can choose from any of this best match right here for your booking, for your taxi booking website. For your taxi booking website, you can choose from any of the match right here, or you can just scroll down. Actually, there are more templates and that you can use, but these templates, upgraded templates are not for free. Okay, so if you want to use the free version, just choose from any of this here. Okay, so let's just say you prefer to use this one right here. It is processing and it will show you your Wix template. And then you will see this enhance your AI content. Okay, everything is up to you, but you can just basically skip this part. So tap X. And then this is your template and soon to be website. So to edit, you can just basically zoom this to 100 if you want. And then you can just do a quick edit, like if you want to change this to your site name. So this is what it looks like. You can change the paragraph, heading, okay, the font if you want to change that. Also bold, italic, you can add effects, everything is up to you. So basically, this is how you edit your header. Just do a quick edit if you want. And then also you can basically edit this one right here. That's the good thing about Wix. You can change this one. Okay. And then here it's the same thing if you want to delete this, if you think that this one is unnecessary, and if you want to change something or add something, you can also change the image. For example, if you have your own picture of your cars, then you can basically change this one, change background, and then tap on image. Now you can import that image from your computer or from your laptop or your service set at your um computer, laptop, or whatever gadget you have. You can also import media from Wix. For example, if you want to change this, and then cars, you look for cars right here. And if you want to change it like this, then you can change background. And this is what it looks like. I have also changed this. If you want to add elements, tap this one. Then you can add elements like image, button, strip, decorative, interactive. You can embed a code, bookings, and so on. You can also go to this add section right here if you want to add welcome section, about, team, contact, promotion, services. So you can just basically tap this one right here and then add a contact form for your clients, for your customers. You have your choices right here to get to know them or to reach you out. So basically, you can just add it right here. This is an example, and you can just edit this. And also for pages and menu, if you want to edit your header, you can just, edit here. For example, if you want to put the about first or the services first, okay, you can just simply edit this one. If you want to change the site theme, the color theme, if you want to change this, then go to this section right here, text theme. If you want to change also the font, the color, page background, if you want to change the page background, You can do that here, and then page transition. Also, if you want to add application, for example, like payment method, if you want to add Stripe or other application here that can enhance your site, then you can go to Wix App Market. There are tons of applications here that are for free. Okay. And then this one right here is for business. If you want to add like Wix payment method and so on, then basically you can set it up right here. Also, if you want to add more pictures, videos, and add more of your social media account and platforms, you can tap this part right here. So basically, this is what it looks like, and you can preview your website before you publish. You can tap on preview. Okay. And once you're okay with your site, then all you have to do is tap on publish. Now to set up something like payment method and then booking services, then you can basically go to your dashboard again. So tap this one. And then here you can set up everything. So for booking calendar, you can tap on this one. So here you can set up, for example, you can add here if you're available at the time, if your website is, or if your office is available at the time. So you can basically add it up right here. So add appointment, block time, everything is up to you. For booking list, then you can get started with any booking list right here. For example, for this one, you need to add this Wix tips. You can set this at the side. Select the template, click continue. And then you can also tap on work schedule right here. I think here, tap clients, first time clients, returning clients, and so on. Sales catalog, you can see your orders. You can also set up gift card sales right here. You can set up your payments and finances. If you want to set up your payment method, you could just go here and sales overview. This is what it looks like for gift card sales. You can start selling e-gift cards today. And also if you have, or if you're planning to create like loyalty cards or gift cards, then you can just tap on gift card sales and set up it right here. Finances, payment, and finances, so all payments. You can just basically manage payment methods right here, and you can also add or set up a third party payment method if you want. So you can just go to Wix application, but basically if you want to set up your payments right here, just tap on manage payment methods. You can see your receipts, and then like what I mentioned earlier, the sales overview. If you tap on the catalog, and then here you can set up booking services, gift cards, okay, and then booking channels. So if you want again to offer also like gift card, like what I've showed you earlier, then you can just basically go to catalog and set up or add gift card to site. Okay, and then applications, I could mention if you want to add application, you can go to Wix App Market. Okay, if you want to set up also site and mobile application, inbox, customers leads, marketing, analytics, automation, you can just basically go to your dashboard. But basically, since our tutorial is how to create a taxi booking website, then all you have to do is to set up everything there and then publish in your site. So that's how easy it is. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.